Creaks, not a problem on a fat bike. Just go slow. No problem. There's a lot of debris that gets knocked up from the wideness of the fat tyres that you have to be a little bit careful of. Don't want to crash any spokes or do a sidewall. I think that's probably, I'm guessing, that's the biggest problem, maybe getting sidewall punctures. We'll just have to be careful. Spectacular riding at the moment. Should only get more and more spectacular as the day goes on, as I ascend upwards. I'm getting to snow gums at the moment. The first snow gums I've had. It's definitely the bike for me for these conditions. They can sure hold it steady, can't they? Well, it looks like there's a bit more rain coming. It's not meant to be to 3 p.m. I looked at the forecast last night, 3 p.m. Anyway, it's not much in it. I've had a bit of rain, not much, but a little bit. Enough to have to put my jacket on, but not enough to really wet anything or drench anything. It's cooled it down a little bit, so I've got my jacket on now. I got some water. Pretty slow getting the water, but at least I got water. That's good. And right along these bits, you've got to be careful because your cranks, the pedals, hit on some of the bits because you can't actually make the distance to a rotation like along here. You lose most of it you can, but there's little bits, if you keep going, it just stops you instantly because there's not enough room. So a bit of concentration. Beautiful day up here on the Victorian High Plains, in the Alpine environment. It's February. Standing up, trying to make it smooth with the footage. That's Rocky Valley down there, dam, and the creek that comes down here is called Watchbed Creek. On bitumen, sealed road. It actually is okay, the fat bike on the bitumen. Obviously, it's not super quick. That'd be right. As soon as I get to the bitumen, somehow run over a spike or something. I don't know. Sidewall just blown out. Don't think that's going to fix with it. It's just not healing at all. I think it's too big. Never had this glue before, it's the first time. But I think that might be to put a tube in, I guess. I figured out what was wrong, why I got the puncture. The red panniers, the rack at the back, it's custom made and it flexes a lot, titanium. And the metal bits were digging into the sidewalls. Yeah, I didn't think it'd flex that much, but flexing heaps. So I've changed them around. Those panniers on the front, the others on the back. Yeah. A few hours are wasted, but oh well. Oh. The only thing is now, that was my only spare tube. And the other one, the front tyre now, is tubeless. So, we'll see. That's what I just went round. Rocky Valley Dam. Falls Creek, sort of. Now we leave that, which I'm glad. That's all dilemmas. Sorry. It slowed me down, like, I was looking for such a nice cruisy day and I was having so much fun, and then it's like, one dilemma after another. It's okay. You gotta laugh and just keep trudging along. Isn't that it? Just a bit of time. That's pretty valley pondage. Rabbit. Such a great day yesterday. I thought it was too good. You can't have it all good, can you? It's gotta be bad. Still a bit of rain about. Heading up again. Bit of a wind at the moment. Temperature's dropped a bit. It's not too bad. Just a little bit cooler. Now, had a tail breeze before. Now I'm straight into it. Definitely looking at me. He's the stallion. We're descending a bit now, but in a little bit we'll have to go back up again, obviously. Getting out fainter. It's not that much below 1900 metres. 1887 or something like that anyway. I'm gonna have to go back up. I have done this in winter on the skis on one of my videos. I think it called it backcountry skiing or something. It was great seeing those rumbies. They're just up on the left above me, but yeah. These must be Toowong huts. Got here quicker than I thought. Just a bit. Howdy. Oh, almost got him. See us. And I said I almost got him. There was two, I think, beer bottles, 2 beers, or something like that, in the water. Almost ran straight over it. I was gonna say, at least the fat bike, it's easy crossing rivers. I almost slipped up when I did that. I haven't done this in summer. Didn't realise it was a single track. Even more enjoyable. But a bit tricky. There seems to be some obstacles in the way. Okay, you get the idea. It's reasonably rough.